Good morning, boys and girls. It's the last day of school today, and we have a surprise for you. I am Mr. Grubin, and I am going to teach you the calendar and weather today. And Mrs. Grubin is going to run the camera because that's the job that I've had for all of the videos that we've done for you while you're safer at home. So we're also celebrating that this is our 100th video of Safer at Home for you. So Mrs. Grubin thought it would be special for me to teach you for a little bit, but I promise you, Mrs. Grubin will be back for Letter of the Week. So let's figure this out and see if I can do this like Mrs. Grubin, and let's also see if Mrs. Grubin can run the camera like I do. Okay. So we're going to start today by doing the pledges. Join with me, stand up, and use your right hand over your heart, okay? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I pledge my allegiance to the cross of our Lord Jesus Christ, and to the faith for which it stands, one Savior eternal, with mercy and grace for all. Okay, boys and girls, so for today's lesson, you will need your numbers chart a little bit later and a marker. So make sure you have those ready to go. And then you will also need your writing board and of course have your pen with you as well. So we'll just need those two things. You do not need your Pete the Cat chart. Okay. So school at home. Can you believe it, boys and girls, that this is the 33rd day of learning at home? And I'm sure that you are so looking forward to being back together when you come back for kindergarten. So 33 days. Let me add a tally mark for today. I don't know how Mrs. Grubin writes on this and holds it in the air at the same time. But there you go, 33. Let's count the days. By fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, and 33. How do we make a 3? Can you help me out here? I think it's halfway around and around again, and halfway around and around again. 33. 33 days of learning at home. So let's go on to our next thing, and that's going to be looking at, I think it's going to be looking at the calendar. Let's find out what day it is today. So if we look at, first of all, our days of the week. Let's go over our days of the week. I think you know a song that we sang a little while ago, but not one you've done recently. So we'll start here. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So what day is it today? Today is Thursday. And we'll come back to this. Today is Thursday. And that means, let's actually count the days to the day that we are, because it's the last day of school. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, birthday celebration, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, another birthday celebration. Mrs. Grubin said she had a lot of fun seeing all your show and tell. 20, and our last day of school, 21. What day of the week is it? We go right on up to Thursday. So today is Thursday, a tea day. And tomorrow then is what? What's tomorrow? Friday. Fun day Friday. Okay, boys and girls, now what's next? Let me see here. We know what day of the week it is. It's Thursday, and we know it's the 21st, but there is not a book or a pencil on this day. It just says last day of school. Can you help me out and let me know whether that would be a book or a pencil? How can we learn this? Well, let's see if there's a pattern. I think there's a pattern of going from here down to here at an angle, or from here down to here. So this is pencil, pencil, pencil. And another way we could do it is let's start at 14 and go book, pencil, book, pencil, book, pencil, book, and pencil. It's still a pencil. So the 21st is a pencil. Let's say our day today. So today is Thursday, May 21st, 2020. Let's do it again. Here we go. Today is Thursday, May 21st, 2020. Okay, boys and girls, hopefully we made it through that okay, but now it's time to do some opposites and some rhyming. Do you think I know what an opposite is? Let's find out. Okay, let's start here. And our first one is going to be this one here, and we see four children, and it has an arrow pointing to the girl with the blue shirt. And then we have this one with it's the same four kids, and instead the arrow is pointing to the boy in the yellow shirt. So what is different about these? What is opposite? Well, if you were in line at school, this girl would be the first in line. So first, and that is the girl in the blue shirt. Which means that if this picture, we have an arrow to the boy in the yellow shirt, he is last in line. So first, girl in blue shirt, last, boy in yellow shirt. Let's do a couple of more. We have this interesting looking orange ladder here, and a cat on top of it. And then we still have an orange ladder and a cat. But he's not on top of it, is he? So what is different about this? We have a cat at the top and a cat off here on the floor. The cat is up near the ladder, and here the cat is down from the ladder. So up and down. Okay, boys and girls, let's do a review. All right, girl in blue shirt first, and the boy in the yellow shirt is last. The cat on the ladder is up, and the cat on the floor is down. Okay, let's do some rhyming. Let's see if I know how to rhyme. Let's get a few more. Oh, I see a goldfish. What rhymes with goldfish? I don't know. Let's find out. So this is a goldfish, but maybe we could just call it a fish. And then I thought, isn't there a term you use for rebus? You can make words out of pictures. This would actually be a good one. This would be a fish and a bowl, so it could be fish bowl. We could do that with this one, but we are here to rhyme. So this could also be called what? This is a fish, and this is a something you find in your kitchen, or maybe even something that a pet eats from. Dish. Fish, dish. Fish and dish. They rhyme. Okay, here's a couple of more. What do you think that is? Looks like a gift, maybe a gift bag. Let's call it a bag. That is a bag. And this is a what? What is that? That is a flag. Bag, flag. They rhyme. Do it one more time. Bag and, good job, girls and boys, flag. Bag and flag, fish and dish. And there's your rhyming for today. Okay, you can put that down. I'll put it down. And we'll move on to the next thing, which is the weather. And you know, today, I look outside and it's a sunny day. So, today's weather is sunny. Can you help me spell sunny? I've seen Mrs. Grubin do it quite a few times, but what I'd like for you to do is write it along with me. You might need an eraser in case I make any mistakes. So have your writing board and your marker with you. Okay, let's see. Sunny. We start out with an S, and I'm just going to put that right here. And then we need a U. So let's find the U is right here. And then I'm pretty sure we need an N. And this N got a little squished, but we'll make it work. So there's sun. And then I think all we need is a Y. Sunny. There we go. Sunny. I think there's a song that goes with this. Sunny is the weather. But wait a second. S-U-N. It doesn't match the song. Girls and boys, can you help me out here? I don't think this works well with the sunny song. It doesn't seem to fit. Oh, am I missing an N? Let's move this over because the song goes S-U-N-N-Y. 2 N's. Here we go. Let's try that. Is that better? So while I was putting these letters up here, I was hoping that you could have been writing them on your board. So you still have time to do that. I'll give you a little bit of time where I'm going to find a couple of other letters that might be fun to use to make other words that rhyme with sunny. Okay, so let's take this S away from sunny and make it into, what other words could we make from that? What do you see hopping around in the yard with the B? Bunny. Bunny. Good job. Can you write that on your board? Erase your S and then put your B in its place. Okay, just erase your B. Leave the U-N-N-Y, and when someone tells you a funny thing, you can spell it this way with an F. Funny. Funny. Okay. And one other word. What would it sound like if we put an R in front of this? Let's put an R, and that could be runny. So you can erase your F and write an R in its place. Runny. Runny. Okay, and we need to find our S again. Where did I put our S? Because we need to talk about the sunny weather. And isn't there a song to go with this? I think I remember it. I think there was a day when it was foggy. There was a day that it was gray. There was a day it was hot. Or there was a day that was bright. Okay, here we go. Can you sing along with me? Here we go.
Sorry, friends.
Can you hold the camera, Mrs. Rubin? And
Oh, I'm so sorry, friends.
Mrs. Rubin is going to move the camera around here and figure this out.
Okay.
Welcome back, boys and girls.
This is hard, boys and girls.
That was our floor, and that was our ceiling, and that was Mrs. Grubin laughing because we're both struggling with this thing. So here we go. There was a day that it was bright. Okay, sing with me. There was a day that it was bright and sunny was the weather. S-U-N-N-Y, 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 and sunny was the weather. Good job. I hope you're singing along. Let's see what's next. Let's look up here into the corner here and find out what temperature will it be today. It's going to be 52 degrees. So let's go over to our numbers chart, and I will bring a marker with me. Come on over to the numbers chart, and let's find 52. 52. Let's count down from our ones and then on down to 50s, and we can find that. So ones, teens, 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, 51, 52. So let's go back to our thermometer and put 52 on our thermometer, okay? So thermometer here. Oh, one more thing. Come back here. Where is 52? Is it closer to 50 or is it closer to 60? 50, 51, 52. That's pretty close to 50. So let's put that on our thermometer here. Our thermometer here says 58 right now, so if we can just pull this down a little bit and adjust it a little bit like that, and there we go. 52 degrees. Should be pretty nice today. Okay, boys and girls. Well, can you tell me something? I need help. These O-E-O-E on the top, I think they stand for something. And is 52, it's under an E, so that makes 52. What does it make it? That's right, an even number. Numbers ending in 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0 are even, and the other numbers are odd. Okay, boys and girls, because it's the last day of school, I thought it would be fun to give you a bunch of mystery numbers. So let's see if we can find some mystery numbers here. And you can use your pens on your numbers chart as well, so you can make this as well. Let's start over here. Let's find out, what is this mystery number right in the middle? What would that be? We only have a couple of hints. We have 76. All of these numbers end in 6. And this is 96, so this number would be 86. So let's take 86. And instead, boys and girls, of putting an X on it or circling it, I want you to make a line across it, just like that. Okay? Now, let's see. What is right next door to 86? In this mystery number, it's between 84 and 86. It's below the 75, so it ends in 5. 80, 85. Good job, and you see the line that's there? That's what we're gonna write on our numbers chart. Do you see the picture that we're making? Okay, and let's go right on up the curve here to the other side of our smile. What is this mystery number. This mystery number is after the early part of the 70s. Let's count forward here. 71, 72, 73, 74. Good job, boys and girls. And you can just make a big old dot there in the middle and connect the line, and we get the left-hand side of our smile. Okay, let's go up here to one of the eyeballs. What is this mystery number here? We were just at 52, and it's on the same line, so it's a few away from 52. Let's count. 51, 52, 53, 54, and it's a doubles number underneath. 55. Good job. And this time we make an eyeball, and you can make it a little bit taller than wide. And there's an eyeball for us. Let's go to the other eyeball. Okay, this one, we got to 55. What is this number? It's below the 47, above the 67, 54, 55, 56, 57. Good job, boys and girls. Does it make you happy that this is the last day of school? It's going to be a fun summer, I think. So let's look at the last two of our smile here that makes us happy. What is this number right here, boys and girls? It's after 86. It's before 87. Below the 77. Let's see. 85, 86, 87. If there's any parents watching, guess what year Mr. Grubin graduated from high school? All right. And 87. Tell me, boys and girls, does 87 have a number, buddy? What would 87 be a number, buddy? If we take the numbers and we put them backwards, 78. Where is 78? Oh, look here. It's our last mystery number, 78, and you can put a dot there, and you make your line, and there's our number buddies. You can circle those as well. So make sure that after you've put your dots on 74 and 78, and you make your line through 85, 86, and 87, then you have your smile. Boys and girls, thank you for putting up with me and letting me teach you about the calendar and weather and the numbers chart. And I promise you that Mrs. Grubin will be back to teach the other parts of today's lessons. And I really have enjoyed watching you learn this year. Have a great day.